Hey everyone, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to fix WeMod if it's not working on your PC. So I've made a list here on how to do some of these steps, so it won't be hard for you to imagine or even watch. Whether WeMod won't launch, won't detect your game, or your mods aren't activating. These steps should help you solve the problem right here. First, completely close WeMod and launch it again. Sometimes a simple restart is enough to fix the temporary issue. After that, open WeMod settings and check for any available updates. Running the latest version helps prevent compatibility problems. You should also make sure your game is fully updated, since an outdated game version can stop WeMod from working correctly. If your antivirus or firewall is blocking WeMod, temporarily disable it or add WeMod to your security software exclusion list. Another thing you can try is clearing the WeMod cache. Delete the cache files, then restart the applications. No worries, I've made some pictures here so you know how to do it. If the issue still isn't fixed, uninstall WeMod entirely. Just go ahead and uninstall completely and download the latest version from the official website before reinstalling it. Also make sure the internet connection is stable because WeMod needs to verify your games and load the mods online. Finally, if none of this solution work, contact WeMod support for additional assistance. And basically, that's it. One of these methods should get WeMod working again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy PC gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.